What's the deal, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, another banger. And as y'all seen in the intro, we're gonna be making one of my favorite videos of all time. We finally acquired an SB1R exhaust for Susie. If y'all haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Today's gonna be lit, but to start off the morning, we got our Celsius and we are at local car scene, and it is packed out today. So I know there's gonna be some gems in this parking lot. Let's go ahead and let's enjoy this. Let's go ahead and install the exhaust later. I'm excited to see that. Hopefully she shoots some flames. You know, we got the 360 camera, so we'll see that. We'll get that going a little bit later.
I'ma wanna hit it in hundreds of ways. You should make a nigga wanna hit it for hundreds of days. I popped a bigger elephant when we fuck in the face. And I'ma keep going. You say it's been a minute, I'm hitting your spot. You don't know the limits when I'm finished, you spinning the block. I dropped the pinches, made me hear about 7 o'clock. I keep on. When I'm in my zone, I feel away. Take me to better places. Rearrange your body, I'm fucking you naked. Rearrange your body, I'm fucking your face.
As y'all know, these are legal now. People are freaking charging an arm and a leg for these shits. But this one's clean. Got the GTR front bumper, some TEs. I like it. The whole gang outside today. I'm sorry Susie couldn't be here with y'all, but it's okay. And this one lifted on 4x4s. I think I've seen this one before. We went to Supras in Vegas with it. This one has a hood that I've never seen. It looks like just like a little carbon cutout, which is clean. I like that. I want to look at some side skirts today because I have been shopping around for side skirts. I found some that I kind of like, but I found some I also don't like. Because I don't like, just the fitment on them are real iffy on a lot of them. My guy has to be fast. This is, I've never seen somebody turn the OEM wheel into a beadlock. That's pretty clean, I like that. You know we love those. I've been seeing a lot of Evos for sale. Hella cheap. I don't know why people are just throwing them shits away right now. I thought about it, I ain't gonna lie, but I think we still gotta go with 32. It's only right. Damn, I want a Porsche so bad. This car is just so good. This color is beautiful. Oh my God. And then this guy is back. I think he got some new wheels on there. Rich, big money turbo right there. Y'all know what I'm looking at. We gonna get to you later in a second, baby. But look, this NSX, clean. And what I tell you, white wheels, stop playing with them. I'm telling you, I don't know if it was ever out of style, but I'm gonna bring it into style for me. This thing is sick as fuck. The Nismo 35, ain't nothing too much to say about that. We already know how great this is. Another NSX, without the pop-ups though. What y'all think? Y'all like no pop-ups or y'all like pop-ups? I'm going with this over this any day. But this is cream of the crop right here. This is exactly what I dream of every day, every night. Silver 32 on these wheels. Only thing I changed, I don't even mind this Nismo livery. I mean, I wouldn't put it on my car, but if it was there, whatever. I just need the factory seats. That's it. I just need the factory seats. And not these rear spats. Yeah, take them off. These are the wheels that I want on my Supra. This exact finish, this exact wheel. These are my dream wheels. One day, I hope we can afford these. More of the soups outside. See, this is what we need. We need a strut bar. We need one of these. My car doesn't have one. It didn't come with one because it's a 20. If you guys don't know, 2021s and up, they came with factory ones. 20s didn't. 20s got left out, but we get to tune our shit. So let me show y'all something. Peep the interior. These is the seats that might be coming to Susie, y'all. Peep that Alcantara in the middle and the leathering outside. Yeah. Hey, this engine bay is clean. We got some catching up to do. Manifold, big deal. We need that. That manifold, I don't know what brand that is, but I know manifolds are at least 3,500 to 5 grand. Maybe one day when we do big single, it's pretty far down the line at this point. But all these little things right here, we gotta get there. Don't be us, y'all. Yeah, I need that in my life. Soon, couple months, come on. Whoop. Look who it is. The homies from the last video are here. I don't know where they are. If I see them, I'll say what's up. But yeah, show some love to my boys, 32 GTR. Almost missed this. Sheesh. All right, y'all, we made it back to Unc's crib. This right here is gonna change very, very soon. The last cold start you guys are gonna hear with the Tome. Ooh, make sure it's in sports mode. Yay! That's gonna change ever so slightly. We revs for the boys, can't go wrong.
Save her. These niggas thinking that we ain't the same girl. She told me secrets that get in the same world. I prayed to God and got away because she's dangerous. She painted pictures making out of anger. And when I kissed her, I was locked in chambers. It's gonna take more than a lot to change her.
We got her jacked up, we got her up. We're gonna go start taking off the under brace that is holding it right there. We gotta take that off first before we start unbolting the exhaust. But yeah, this beauty, it's her last days.
Let me know when you to a point that you can drop it.
I'm gonna drop it on this toolbox right now.
All right.
Okay. It's
Yeah,
a full Tome.
be careful, it's loose right there at the point.
Took her off in one piece. Y'all can see this is what a Tome looks like. Yes, it is for sale. So if y'all want it, hit me up on Instagram right here. I'll give y'all a deal if y'all in SoCal. I'm not shipping it. If you're not in SoCal, sorry, you're out of luck. Yo, look at the difference in tip sizes. This is you, and this is the guy she says not to worry about. Just wait till we polish this thing up. It's gonna look sick, boy. We saved y'all the pain of all the adjustments and all that. And she's on there. Look at that. Sheesh. First startup.
Sport mode?
Yep. Ooh, that's beefy. Okay. That's throaty right there. Oh yeah. Come on now. He revved it, scared the shit out of me. All right, let's get some rev. Hey, that was loud. Oh my God, that sounds gorgeous. Yeah, that turbo whistle is crazy. Oh my. One more. Yeah, that's, yeah, that's proper. After editing this video, I forgot that I didn't do a proper outro, so I'm doing one right now post edit, and I want to give you all my honest thoughts on the SP1R exhaust versus the Tomei or any other exhaust. Honestly, looks wise, cosmetic wise, this is the best looking exhaust for the Supra in my opinion, and it also is the best sounding exhaust. The difference between the Tomei and the SP1R is drastic. I didn't think it was going to be too much of a difference, but the way this sounds, the way the SP sounds, is just deep, throaty. It just makes all the right noises. The Tomei is great, it sounds good too, but it just does not compare, man. I'm 100% satisfied with the SP1R. So if you guys need one, make sure you guys go ahead and go to SP1R and get you one. I highly recommend it. And if you guys did enjoy this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It would really help grow the channel, and I appreciate if you guys made it this far. Yeah, subscribe, join the TYB family, and see you guys in the next video.
I got a stick, bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark, bitch, on a yellow. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tuck it, she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
My dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.